بارك الله، سعد الله صباحكم كل خير. اليوم الخميس.
It's snowing. See? Snow. Holy crap!
It hit hard and fast, leaving a trail of destruction.
Oh, that's... Holy... Oh!
Hail and heavy rain poured from the sky, while extreme winds ripped apart backyards.
Oh, my tree! No!
Do açude, onde é que tá? Olha lá.
Equipe técnica da Defesa Civil de Imperatriz. Mais de 500...
Tá tudo inundado aqui. Jesus, o trem tá feio aqui, olha.
after wintry weather slammed more than a dozen states, from Tennessee to Maine. The Northeast blasted with heavy snow, ice, and freezing temperatures early this morning. New Jersey declaring a state of emergency. The treacherous travel spanning several states, including Massachusetts, where slick conditions sent cars sliding during the morning commute, with more than an inch of snow falling an hour. The fast-moving system started in the south, dumping more than half a foot of snow in parts of Kentucky and Tennessee. Nashville recording its snowiest day in 6 years.
Flash floods in Madagascar have killed at least 10 people. The torrential rain battered the capital Antananarivo overnight, according to a government official.
The same system is causing problems for tens of millions of other people dealing with ice and snow. In Baltimore, a combination of snow, sleet, and rain has made for dangerous road conditions, and the snowfall has reached the Northeast, with some areas around Philadelphia getting several inches of snow on the ground.
Half the country has been hit by this January Arctic blast. Temperatures 20 degrees below normal on average. Severe winter weather hit the Carolinas and a section of the eastern U.S. South of the Outer Banks, thousands have been left without power. The National Weather Service issued an ice storm warning for the Moorhead, North Carolina region for the first time in history. Wind chills hit minus 31 degrees in Minneapolis. Brownsville, Texas recorded its 5th winter storm warning ever. Warming stations were set up for people in San Antonio. The big freeze seemed to freeze over ponds and lakes.
The result of almost 200 millimetres of rain in 24 hours. What typically would have been a year's worth for some areas came down in a day.
So yeah, the lagoon is actually a kilometre over there.
The Olympic Dam highway impassable after being sliced in half.
From the Indian Ocean island of Madagascar across Mozambique, Tropical Storm Ana first landed in Zomba, Palombe and Molanje, bringing with it torrential rain and heavy winds. The storm also knocked out power in most parts of the southern African country.
Snowfall hit a number of countries in the Middle East, including Israel, Jordan, Lebanon and Syria. The cold weather is a continuation of Storm Elpis, which brought snow to Greece and Turkey earlier in the week. In some areas, snow was reported for the first time in 30 years as temperatures dropped. In addition to snow, high winds of 60 to 80 kilometers per hour have been measured. There are fears of floods in low-lying areas as snow melts, as well as a high risk of power shortages.
Вообще сон
High winds sweeping across Scotland and the north of England. The full force of Storm Malik has been felt out on the water and at home. Thousands have been cut off due to the extreme weather.
The powerful nor'easter brought blizzard conditions to several northeast states, heavy snow, low visibility, and wind gusts that approach 100 miles per hour at times. Parts of the state expected to get more than 2 feet of snow. More than 100,000 people lost power, most south of Boston, which saw the highest winds and some coastal flooding. And many did. Travel was dangerous and difficult. Airports from Philadelphia to Maine canceled thousands of flights. But as the storm exits, the danger isn't over, with temperatures overnight plunging into the single digits.
The incident that happened at 6:40 p.m. saw roof tiles blown off while electricity poles were also felled. Residents said their homes seemed to be hit by a tornado. They said it was drizzling when strong winds battered their neighborhood.